Little storyteller.
Coral was a little mermaid with bright pink hair and a sparkly green tail. She loved to find shiny things on the ocean floor. One sunny morning, Coral found a perfect round pearl. Oh, how pretty, she thought. She swam to her cozy home in a colorful coral cave. Inside, she had a collection of beautiful shells and long, soft pieces of seaweed. Coral had a wonderful idea. I can make a necklace, using the soft seaweed, like string. Coral carefully threaded the shiny pearl and some pretty pink shells. Soon she had a beautiful necklace. She felt so happy making it. Coral wanted to share her fun idea with her friends. She gathered her pals, Shelly the snail with a swirly shell, Ollie the octopus with wiggly arms, and Finn the fish with bright yellow fins. "Look what I made," Coral said, showing them her pearl necklace. "We can all make pretty jewelry." Her friends were excited. Coral showed them how to find pearls, pick out colorful shells, and gently weave the seaweed. Shelly made a bracelet with tiny blue shells. Ollie made a long necklace with stripes of green and purple seaweed, and Finn made a sparkly anklet. Other sea creatures saw how much fun they were having and wanted to join. Soon, Coral had lots of friends gathering around, eager to learn how to make their own beautiful jewelry. Coral felt so happy that she could share her idea. Making jewelry together was much more fun than making it alone. They all swam around, showing off their sparkly creations. Coral learned that sharing her ideas made everyone happy. And do you know what? Every pearl starts as a tiny grain of sand that gets covered in layers and layers until it becomes a beautiful treasure.
Please subscribe. Thank you.